back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Erie, North Carolina, starting third. The 4 of Bryce Smith out of Covington, Virginia, starting fourth. The 21 of Devin Burher out of Natural Bridge Station, Virginia. Ladies and gentlemen, they're getting ready to do a 4-wide salute here. So wave on your favorite driver here. Here we go. Wyatt Coffey, Kendall Tucker on the front row, bringing us the green. Green flag is out side by side here. Wyatt Coffey looking to lead lap 1 here. Wyatt Coffey leading. Kendall Tucker second, third Bryce Smith. Third is Devin Burher, and fourth is Stephen Harrison. Caution on the racetrack. The X and S power batteries, caution flag coming out for Chris Fretwell here. Here we go. Wyatt Coffey brings us back to green on the restart. Green is out. Kendall Tucker looking to get a run down the backstretch on the high side there, trying to reel in Wyatt Coffey on this restart. Has a good look there in 3 and 4. Good run there. Got a car spinning here, bringing out the X and S power batteries caution flag here. Dakota Fox. X and S power batteries caution flag for Dakota Fox here. Looking for another restart here. Wyatt Coffey fires off. Kendall Tucker looking for a good run here on his restart on the high line. Wyatt Coffey leading, but Kendall Tucker coming in 3 and 4 on that high line. Looks like it's coming in there. Inching closer to Wyatt. Coming back to the green this time here. Matthew Duggins gets to run past Bryce Smith there for third. Back up front there, Wyatt Coffee working the bottom. Oh, we got a big car pile up in the back of the field. We got a red flag coming out here in this 602 here. You got Daniel Durham in there, William Wilmer in there, Chris Fretwell, Justin Webb, R.W. Armstrong over the bank. Wyatt Coffee bringing us down in the 3 and 4 for another restart here. The 99 looking to get a run on Kendall Tucker. Kendall Tucker's been strong around the outside here. Wyatt Coffee leading, second Kendall Tucker, third Matthew Duggins, fourth is Bryce Smith. Wyatt Coffee still your leader, 10 laps down, 20 laps to go. Kendall Tucker second, Matthew Duggins is third, fourth is So Wyatt Coffee, your leader, Kendall Tucker second, Matt Duggins third, fourth Bryce Smith, fifth Stephen Harrison, sixth Devin Behur, seventh Tim Stallnaker, eighth Ryan LaRue, ninth John Jennings, and 10th is Samuel Hamilton. The race is winding down, laps are winding down here at Natural Bridge Speedway. Five laps to go here. Wyatt Coffee is built over a 3-second lead over Mount Airy's Kendall Tucker. Wyatt Coffee's got just 3 laps left here. Looking to go 3 for 3 in the Elite Racing Series races. Popsicle sticks in the air for Wyatt Coffee. 2 to go here. Kendall Tucker second, third Matt Duggins, fourth Bryce Smith, and fifth is Stephen Harrison. Wyatt Coffee working down the backstretch. Clear sailing there, 3 and 4. Coming to the line here is white flag. One more trip around Natural Bridge Speedway. Working through 1 and 2 clean, sailing down the backstretch in 3 and 4 for the last time. Your winner here tonight at Natural Bridge Speedway, Wyatt Coffee. Second is Kendall Tucker. Third is Matt Duggins, fourth Bryce Smith, and fifth is Stephen Harrison. All right, Natural Bridge Speedway, your winner here tonight in the Elite Racing Series, climbing up out of his car, Wyatt Coffey. Hey, Wyatt, 3 for 3 with the Elite Racing Series. You were fast in hot laps, fast in qualifying, won your heat, started on the pole, led flag to flag. Kendall Tucker gave a run earlier in the race, but you won by over 3 seconds. Fast all night.
Yeah, I can't thank everyone enough. Yeah, it was pretty good, but they're about 5 laps into the feature. I felt like I just couldn't move around that much, but then once I moved, I was pretty good. And I just can't thank everyone enough that gets me here and all the fans for coming out tonight.
All right, who's some of your sponsors you would like to thank?
I'd like to thank Smith, my mom, my dad, my poppy, Zach, Ty back at home, Jack, Wesley Page Shocks, Amanda Enterprises, Bradley's Trucking, Payne's Enterprises, R&M Automotive, All-Star Performance, and Bilstein.
There you have it. Natural Bridge Speedway, your winner in the 602 Elite.